The sharp edge of flint. A quick strike against steel. A wild spark leapt to life. Ever since, we've been refining the art of fire. From primal discovery to ever more sophisticated design. Our new lineup is no exception. With a more intuitive ignition, advanced safety valves, streamlined control panels, and electronic bezels to elevate every touchpoint across the entire product line, including our formidable hybrid fire grill. Plus, a broader temperature range on our Artisan Fire pizza oven. And introducing our drop-in gas grill head. 380 pounds of stainless steel and unwavering heat, bringing Kalamazoo innovation and design to a new format. We've obsessed over every innovation, finessed every component, and fine-tuned every last detail. Because every time we raise the bar, we raise our own expectations.